Hi friends, good evening. This is Kumud from Kumudni's Home Gardens and I'm here again with my new shopping of plants. You must be thinking I'm crazy buying so many plants, but I always do, and I love to go to the nurseries. So these are my latest plants which I have bought from the nursery, and one by one I'm going to tell you about these plants. Bought some planters also. Okay, then let's begin. The first plant, this one, is called Aralia. This is like a tree, and the soil is absolutely red. So every time I used to change the soil, the plant used to survive very less, and some of the plants just survived for a year and then they expired. So this time I thought that I will not change the soil so quickly, or I'll just add some nutrients in this and just leave it like this only, and maybe next year only, or after a couple of months I'll change the soil. So this is Aralia. This is a beautiful whitish greenish plant, variegated, and this looks very nice when you make fairy gardens and all. So let's go to the second plant, friends. Our second plant is this, the most loving, the hospitality plant. This is a beautiful plant, friends, and you know its name. It's called Anthurium. So I have bought these two plants in two colors. One is in white and the other one is in red. So this plant has got many other names also, like this is called lace leaf plant also. I apologize, friends, for this disturbance, because the construction is just going right in front of my house, so it is unavoidable. I'm so sorry, but then okay, let's continue. This plant is also called lace leaf, maybe because of this. You see, this looks like a flower, but actually this is not flower. This is like a leaf only. The shape and everything is leaf. So let's see whether this leaf grows more or it grows something else also. So there are about 2-3 these white leaves already coming, and we use these leaves or flowers, whatever, in flower arrangements also. This is although this is a tropical plant, friends, but then in Gurgaon, in the area where I stay, its survival rates are very, very less, because the temperatures are very extreme here. So let's see for how long it survives. This is beautiful, a very good air purifying plant, indoor plant, so I bought it. And if I tell you the rate of this, my God, this is very, very expensive, friends. He quoted 500 rupees for one plant. But I bargained, and then I gave him about 425 rupees. Fair enough. So I forgot to tell you the rate of this plant, friends. This Aralia, this is for 175 rupees. Okay. So that's the beauty about this Anthurium plant, that we can keep it inside. This indoor plant, air purifying and beautiful also. Okay, let's go to the third plant. Again, my favorite plants are aglaonemas, as you know, friends, and I have got very good collection of these. So I bought one more again, and its name is Silver Line, I think. Yeah, lots of them have something to do with silver. Okay, this another one. This is called aglaonema lipstick, red lipstick, and this is all-time favorite, and this is also a beautiful plant, and the nursery person quoted 200 each, but then I bargained and we got settled, giving him about 350 rupees for both. So I'm a regular with the nurseries, so they always reduce rates for me. They also know that I'm crazy about plants. So our next plant is this, friends. This is a little this is a bushy kind of a plant, and this has got these beautiful flowers. You see these purple, and in the center it is yellowish. This is a beautiful plant, and lots of them are there. So this plant is called Thumbosia erecta. Thumbosia erecta. So this Thumbosia erecta, again, it's a tropical plant, and this goes till about 4 to 6 feet height. So we can add it in our garden. Doesn't need full-time sun, but in a garden where it gets about 4 to 6 hours of sunlight, that is good enough for this. So these are some of my expensive plant shopping. I'm happy, and let's see if I can maintain them, and of course I'll maintain them. I'll try my level best. And then I have bought some salad leaves also, lettuce. The season, I think, has not come as yet because they are not in very good condition, but then I'll put them in pots and let's see if they survive. Means if they become very healthy. I'm very fond of lettuce. Everyone in my house is. This is green and red lettuce leaves. So I did some shopping of pots also, friends. You see this hanging pot. So I'm always getting short of space, so I bought these so that I can hang something in this pot, or I can put some hanging plants or flowers in these kinds of pots. And since winters are coming, so it is going to look beautiful on me. Okay, friends, so there are about 6 of them, and 40 rupees each. He quoted 50, but then we settled in 40. So I did some stand shopping also. You see this iron stand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 pots I can keep in this. No, I think 5 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pots I can keep in this. But then this is not painted, friends, although it looks sturdy, but it's not painted. So I'll do the painting, white color, and he charged 650 for this. There is one more stand, friends. I'll show you that also. This one. This is another stand, and one can keep 4 big pots very easily in this. In fact, I have kept a very heavy pot on the top, my favorite Aglaonema red, pink. So this is beautiful, and he quoted 1350 for this, and we settled in 1200 rupees. He said give me 1250, then I think I gave him 1250 only in the end. So these are some of the shoppings, friend, I did today. I hope you like my shopping, and this is my preparation for winters also, because in winters we need a very colorful garden, and of course it is going to be, because I'm going to buy lots of flowers also, and I'm making also some of saplings and seedlings and everything. I'm just waiting that I'll show you some of my chrysanthemum cuttings also, how well they are doing. So you see 3-4 of them died, but that happens when you are doing cuttings. I always take that only 50% will survive. One, because of the humidity, and second, maybe I have done the cutting little too early. So okay friends, then see you in the next video, and happy gardening friends. And let's have a look at the lovely anthuriums again. Anthuriums and aglaonemas, lovely colorful plants. Okay friends, bye bye, see you in the next video. Happy gardening.